What? Do you not like the grass? Oh no. I will not let my feet touch the grass. Oh no, heaven forbid my feet touch the grass. Uh-oh. That one's totally on the grass. What are you gonna do? What's he gonna do?
Remember Azzy?
Oh my gosh, it was so funny. I feel like Squish is going through an Azzy moment right now. Hey. Here, let's try something. Uh-oh. No. You're not feeling the grass? I thought you would have fun with the grass.